Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from Myfirstwig. So let's just hop right into it. They also sent me a wig gripper that I'm going to be trying out. So hopefully this works. The wig I have is a Yaki texture. Y'all know I love my Yaki texture hair. The length is 18 inches. The hair color same as picture, which it is like a really dark 99J color. The cap size is a cap size 1. Cap construction is a 13x4 lace front with HD Swiss lace, and the lace color is light brown. So I'm excited. It also comes with a wig cap, and if you are interested in the wig that I'm wearing, the video should be posted before this video. Yeah, if you want color but you scared of color, this is very subtle. You'll love this color. Or if you want to try out color but you don't want to go too bright, or you don't want anything out there, this is really subtle. This is what it looks like. It already comes curled. So we're going to see what we can do with this now. I'm going to show you the hairline, which is already pre-plucked. Let me see. I don't think it comes with any baby hairs, but this is the inside construction. As you can see, the knots are bleached. It comes with 2 combs. Yeah, 2 combs off to the side. It also comes with a comb. Hold on. A comb in the back by the nape and adjustable straps. This is what the hairline looks like. Like I said, it's already pre-plucked. You don't have to do basically any work to this. Hopefully it's glueless, so I won't have to glue it down. But these are what the curls look like, and it is a middle part. The curls are beautiful, so I might actually just leave them like this and kind of make the part a little bit more deep. They sent over this wig grip, so we're going to try out and see how it works. It's like a stretchy, like a rubber band. And before I talk about this wig, let me talk about this wig gripper. It did what it was supposed to do. I actually love this. This is my first time trying out something like this. I know this has been around for a long time, but whatever they did to this wig gripper, it is gripping this wig, because this wig is not going anywhere. I really, really, really love this. And because I use this wig gripper, my wig is glueless. Like, I didn't have to add any spray. Now on the sides, I will say that it's not tacked down, but depending on how you style your hair, you can get away with wearing this wig gripper. I will say though, I wish that it came in multiple shades of like different skin tones. I wish it came in different skin tones. Yeah. And because it was a little light, I did go in and take my finishing powder to kind of darken it up to match my skin complexion. It concealed it a little bit, but you can still see the wig gripper underneath the wig. Now, the wig itself, honey, that thing is melting. Melting, melting, melting. Like, if I didn't have this wig gripper on, you wouldn't be able to see anything under this wig. Like, it would look like straight up scalp. But overall, the wig itself is beautiful. I love the color, the curls. You literally put this on your head and go. Seriously, you guys, you don't have to do anything to it. Already comes pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. If you get the wig gripper, you don't have to use any type of glue or adhesive. None of that, y'all. But anyways, you already know how I feel about Myfirstwig. If you are a beginner at wigs, this company is perfect for you. Definitely check them out. I'm going to leave their links in the description box down below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, this was basically it. Like I said, I didn't do anything to this wig but parted, put a little bit of concealer in my parts, and fix up these baby hairs. The curls came like this. I didn't curl it. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't even add a wig adhesive. Y'all, it's really nice.